What if your coffee mug could turn into a smartphone? Or your couch could become a bed on command, without motors, screws, or hinges? Just pure, programmable matter. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But this is no longer fiction. Scientists are creating real matter that can change shape, behavior, and even function on command. We're talking about material that can think, respond, and reshape itself, almost like a living object. And it's already happening in labs around the world. For centuries, matter has been fixed, unchangeable without force or tools. A spoon stays a spoon. A rock doesn't become a bowl just because we want it to. But programmable matter flips that idea completely. Imagine a world where we don't just program computers, we program chairs, phones, or even clothing, matter that behaves like software. So how does this work? Let's start with something called Claytronics. These are tiny robots called katoms, basically intelligent grains of sand. Each one can attach, detach, and rearrange with its neighbors to form entire objects. Think digital Legos that don't need your fingers. Instead, they move by themselves, controlled by magnetic fields, electric charges, or shape memory materials. It's like a swarm of microscopic puzzle pieces that know exactly how to come together and form something useful. At Carnegie Mellon and Intel Labs, early prototypes of these katoms have already been built. Sure, they're still in the testing stage, but they're proof that the idea is not only possible, it's inevitable. In China, researchers have gone even further. They've manipulated tiny metallic particles into real circuits, meaning they created functioning electronics from shapeless dust. It's not just science, it's science fiction becoming science fact. Then there's the truly bizarre: liquid robots. Scientists have developed gallium-based robots that can melt, flow through tight spaces, and then re-solidify, like the shape-shifting villain from Terminator 2, except this one isn't evil. Well, not yet. These blobs can escape cages, carry cargo, and reassemble, all triggered by magnetic fields. They're small now, but they open the door to materials that can adapt in real time. And it doesn't stop at robots. Imagine a building that repairs itself. A medical device that enters your bloodstream, reforms into a stent, and then vanishes. Or tools that astronauts 3D print on Mars using Martian dust, reprogrammed on the spot for whatever task they face. This is more than a technological leap. It's a shift in how we think about reality. With programmable matter, we're essentially learning how to code the physical world. Matter becomes fluid, dynamic, intelligent. One minute it's a table, the next, a drone. No screws, no motors, just instructions. But that brings us to a strange new question. How do we trust the objects around us when they can become anything? Will your chair always be a chair? Could a tool pretend to be harmless, then transform into something dangerous? Are we ready for a world where reality itself can lie? It's not just a science problem, it's a philosophy problem. We're moving toward a future where software and hardware merge completely, where you won't download apps, you'll shape them. Your kitchen tools, your phone, your clothes, they'll all be reconfigurable, intelligent, and alive in a way we've never seen before. So the next time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, what if this wasn't a phone at all? What if it's just matter waiting for new instructions? And more importantly, what would you reprogram the world into?